It has made my life so much easier. I save so much time. Hopefully you are all using the incredible internet invention of grocery pickup or delivery. This is not curriculum related in any way,
but it is.
It has changed my life to not go grocery shopping anymore.
We are back with Nicki Truesdell, and we're walking through her top 10 encouragements for Christian homeschool moms. We've already covered 4, not quite halfway there yet, but we're going to be diving into our final 6, starting with number 5, work smarter, not harder. So please expand on this one.
This is one of the more practical tips that I have, more logistics in homeschooling, which I think every mom needs. They need reminders that you can do things better. We just went out in our backyard the other day and we changed up how one of the back steps was off the porch. And I thought, why have we not done this in the last 5 years? So sometimes we look at our situation and don't realize we could have fixed something and made things a lot easier. Homeschooling is a big commitment, obviously. When you take that on, you've added something else to your plate. And so it feels like a juggling act sometimes with meals and laundry, plus extended family, all your church activities, and whatever else. Every family has so many things going on. And so, yeah, adding homeschooling in is a big deal. So I try to encourage moms to assess how they can make their lives easier. So this is just all practical stuff. Rethink your current schedule. Maybe at the beginning of the year, especially this time of year when you're thinking, like cabin fever or burnout, this is a good time to assess things like your curriculum choices, maybe how you handle errands. So some of the things that I like to do, and this may not work for everybody, is, in fact, for years, we've been combining all of our kids into one, like a one-room schoolhouse, one history or science curriculum together that is on a level that appeals mostly to the older kids, but is fun for the younger kids too, even if they don't do everything in the curriculum. And so we will all be basically on the same page. We're all studying the Civil War. We're all studying medieval history together instead of multiple different curriculum options. This saves instruction time on mom. It saves money for curriculum and a whole lot of stress. Another one of my favorite things, hopefully you are all using the incredible internet invention of grocery pickup or delivery. This is not curriculum related in any way, but
it is.
It has changed my life to not go grocery shopping anymore. And I never liked it anyway. But I remember the years when I had 5 kids with me and a cart overloaded with 2 weeks worth of groceries, and it took a couple hours or more, especially if you went from store to store to get a good deal. So when they offered pickup in my town, I jumped on board, and now I can get delivery to my front porch. It has made my life so much easier. I save so much time. So if that's an option for you, jump into the 21st century and take advantage of it, because it will change your life. Also, obviously, cook as many meals as you can in your slow cooker or your pressure cooker. Get on the internet, find some recipes that help you just dump the ingredients in. And, by 10 o'clock in the morning, you can say dinner's done. I think dinner time has always, always, always been a struggle for me with homeschooling, because by the time it's time to cook that meal, I'm done. I'm exhausted. And if you've got babies and toddlers, they're also done. So I learned that a long time ago when I still had babies and toddlers, was get the dinner cooking early or make a double batch of something and put one in the freezer. Redo your housework or chore schedule for your family. If something's not working, flip it, change something. So in my new book, I talk about household staff, and I think it takes a little extra effort, but train your children to be helpers in all areas of the house. Even if that's takes up half your morning for a while, that training will last for years. And it also trains them to be productive human beings besides helping you. So I guess what I'm trying to say here is many homeschool moms let their schedules and the responsibilities manage them, when really it can be the opposite if you just reassess and take the time.
Oh my goodness. You're like talking on all my favorite subjects. I'm like, oh, I love it. I love it. That is so true. And I mean, this podcast is not sponsored by Walmart Plus, but I will just say that is a new addition. I thought it was amazing when I could pull up and they would load my trunk. Well, my girlfriend finally talked me into doing the delivery. And last night, literally, my kids are like, we're out of milk. And I'm like, and this morning at 6 a.m., my milk was here and my coffee was made and the day was saved. So it was amazing.
6 a.m. delivery, wonderful. That I do that all the time. So I wake up and it's on the porch.
Yes.
It's the best.
So, I mean, it's a game changer. I mean, I just can't even, I mean, I still will go and do Costco and some other things, but yeah, it's so good.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.